Tehillim 50. A Psalm by Asaph. The Mighty One, Elohim, Yahuwah, speaks, and calls the earth from sunrise to sunset. Out of Zion, the perfection of beauty, Elohim shines forth. Our Elohim comes and does not keep silent. A fire devours before him. It is very stormy around him. He calls to the heavens above, to the earth, that he may judge his people. Gather my saints together to me, those who have made a covenant with me by sacrifice. The heavens shall declare his righteousness, for Elohim himself is judge. Selah. Hear, my people, and I will speak. Yisrael, and I will testify against you. I am Elohim, your Elohim. I don't rebuke you for your sacrifices. Your burnt offerings are continually before me. I have no need for a bull from your stall, nor male goats from your pens. For every animal of the forest is mine, and the livestock on 1,000 hills. I know all the birds of the mountains, the wild animals of the field are mine. If I were hungry, I would not tell you, for the world is mine, and all that is in it. Will I eat the flesh of bulls, or drink the blood of goats? Offer to Elohim the sacrifice of thanksgiving. Pay your vows to the Elyon. Call on me in the day of trouble. I will deliver you, and you will honor me. But to the wicked Elohim says, What right do you have to declare my statutes, that you have taken my covenant on your lips, since you hate instruction, and throw my words behind you? When you saw a thief, you consented with him, and have participated with adulterers. You give your mouth to evil, your tongue frames deceit. You sit and speak against your brother. You slander your own mother's son. You have done these things, and I kept silent. You thought that I was just like you. I will rebuke you and accuse you in front of your eyes. Now consider this, you who forget Elohim, lest I tear you into pieces, and there be none to deliver. Whoever offers the sacrifice of thanksgiving glorifies me, and prepares his way so that I will show Elohim's Yeshua to him.